Welcome back to the channel. Dude, I got no ground on there.
Put the ground on.
I was like, what? What's good, guys? Welcome to the garage. This is my buddy Dal. This is my buddy Dal's 68 Chevelle. He traded his big diesel for this thing. Came with a stroker, pro-charged small block Chevy, and he drove it home and started making a ticking noise. We realized he bought it with 2 broken ring lands on 2 of the pistons. So we picked up an LS for it. First LS also had a busted piston, so we traded on this 5.3 all aluminum. I don't know what year's the motor. 07, 5.3 all aluminum. I don't know anything about LS's, but this is sick. So here's the old heads off of the small block when he actually drove it home. You can see how awesome that is. Anyway, he's got this thing together. A 4L80 transmission. This is a 5.3 all aluminum. He's got some sort of an intake. The fuel system's all primed. Working on the wiring. Anyway, I came over here. We're gonna look at the intercooler, some of the piping, gonna build some mounts, and get after the turbo setup. So we'll get to it. Intercooler mounted. Now we're gonna set up the headers and see if we get the turbos bolted into place. Test it. Okay guys, first turbo manifold is built, welded, so we're going to bolt this one on and get the driver's side turbo actually bolted in place so we can kind of eyeball where we want the other side. Going to try to make them symmetrical as good as we can, but you know how that goes. There's the first turbo bolted into place. It's just loose anyway, but you can kind of get the right idea. Air filter, exhaust through the fender here, 3-inch. Probably just gonna run a dump for now. Intercooler inlet to turbo inlet. We'll be sawing a hole in here as well. Kind of eyeballing the wastegate here. Trying to pick a spot. We're going to connect the wastegate exhaust to the actual downpipe, which you want to put coming right out here. Exhaust dumping right out the front there. So we're going to start on side number 2. Try to get that symmetry. That's how, I don't know exactly how to say that. Symmetry. Sick, bro. Yeah, it looks like about an inch there. good. That's a good cut. Go. We got the second header on, flange welded, turbo sitting ready. This is just tack, so we can kind of adjust it to where we need it. We're trying to make them match as best as possible, but pretty difficult. How's it look? Oh, hell yeah. Perfect. Let's weld it. We got the other manifold welded up here. Turbo kind of, everything's just mocked up, mock bolted in here, but looks good. We got this symmetry pretty close here. Anyway, we're gonna shut her down tonight. Continue tomorrow with more piping and welding and fabrication.